And the way that it's worked for me over years, and it seems to do well, is I don't overcomplicate it. I have a personal relationship with Christ. He's a part of my day. Like I imagine, like when I'm driving down the road, he's sitting in the passenger seat. I will literally talk to him. People look at me at a traffic light and like he's talking to himself. But that's how it is, and he's just a part of my life and my day. A lot of people, preachers have always came to me in the past and like, well, you got to pray this way, you got to pray that way. That's fine if they believe that. But with me
Yep.
and the way things have worked for me is I don't complicate it. I just have a intimate relationship with him and involve him with just about everything in my life. And
Absolutely.
that's just how I've done it. A lot of folks, and I've said this many times in the past, they tend to overcomplicate things. He just wants a personal relationship with you. That's it. Everything else
Yep.
that he requires will naturally fall into place when you have that personal relationship with him. I mean, that's
Yep.
it in a nutshell. That's it. All the other stuff will just naturally fall in line, if you just focus that on that relationship. And that's what I do.